Bam. All right, cool, class. So here we go, fifth period. So today is the last day of September. So make sure on your notes you put September 13th. And we're on page 15. Okay. So page 15. I was looking at your grades yesterday. You guys are doing actually pretty good. Some of you guys are making up work. Very, very good. Okay. I mean, not good for me because I got to go back and forth, but it's good. Today I'll actually have time to be grading. All right. So if you turn in stuff yesterday, I didn't have time. So I usually try to do it every day. So today this one's called Review for Quiz is quiz, and then the IZZ. That little line means a Z. Okay. And then today's date is September 30th. Make sure you put the date. All right, so you know what it is. All right, so what kind of problems are we going to have? I'm going to do a couple, okay? So you're going to have something like this, all right? So if I put negative 5 x y to the third minus 2 x y to the fourth plus negative 5, okay, minus 3 x y to the power of 3 minus 7. All right, see that? Minus 7, that's it. So now, how do you do this? Okay, because this is going to be on your quiz today, and the quiz is very short. All right, so what do you do first? Combine like terms, right? There's no negative negative, right? There's no negative negative, so we're good, right? So now we look at the first term. It has an x and it has a y cubed, all right? And the negative 5, but xy cubed. Which one else is a xy cubed? This one? No. This one? No. This one right here, xy cubed. So now what do I do? Anybody? Anybody? Combine like terms, right? T-chart. Yeah. So what do I get? It's a negative 5 xy cubed, and it's also a negative 3 xy cubed. See that? So what's my answer? Negative what? Well, yeah, you have to add them, right? You add them? Yeah, because they're together and the negatives are together. So my answer is negative 8xy cubed. See that? All right. So now these are done. I'll just put an X on top of it just to say that it's done. Now let's go to the next one. Negative xy to the fourth. Well, is there any other one? Is there another one? No, there isn't. So what are you going to do? Yeah, go ahead. Just drop it down. All right, drop it, drop it. Okay, so then it's negative 2xy to the fourth. And then I'm going to put an X on top, meaning I'm done with that. And then what about here? Well, yeah, you could combine the negative 5 and the negative 7. This is what we were doing the first week of school, right? So then I do another T-chart, and then I got negative 5 and negative 7. Is that positive? No. What is it? Yeah, it's negative. Oops, sorry. Did it pop? Like Cordova's eyelashes pop? No, it didn't pop, so I got to erase it. Sorry. See, it doesn't pop. Ah, get out. So it's negative 12. All right, so negative 12. And that is your answer. Bam. Okay? So far, so good? So that's going to be on your quiz. All right, pretty easy. All right, combine like terms. Again, what do? You look for the same variables, xy cubed, and then do the T-chart. Xy to the fourth has nothing, so leave it alone. and then you could do the constant. All right. So let's go ahead and do another one. Okay. Go ahead and while I do the music. Here we go. All right. Write that down. That's the next one. Remember, we're recording this. Okay. So go ahead and do this one real quick. I'll pause real quick. Ah! Ah! Oh, scary. It's the Halloween music. Okay. Well, let's go ahead. We don't have to pause it. Let's just go. All right. All right. So here we go. So you're gonna have something like this. All right. So what do we do first? Okay. We look for the three x's, right? The three x's. Let's say if I had, let's just put x squared, because I'm gonna have some that have like that. So x squared, and then this one's x squared. All right. So let's just put an x squared. X squared. All right. So you look for the x squared right there. So there you go. 3x squared. Combine it with negative 4x squared. So do the t-chart. Do the t-chart. Do the t-chart. All right. Negative 4x squared. And what's my answer? Anybody? Anybody from all you guys? Anybody? What's my answer? Shout it out. Shout it out. Or I'll call someone. No? All right, Carlos, what's my answer? How many x squares? Oh, wait, hold on. How many? How many? Carlos, you there? Oh, guess he went to the market. Negative 1x squared. Now, do I need the 1? No. Okay, so then I'll put an x, meaning I did that already. Then we got the negative 4y, okay, and a positive 5y. Okay, so then I'm going to do a t-chart again. Okay, and then that's positive and negative. Negative 4y, positive 5y. What's my answer there? Positive 1y. You could just leave it at positive y, just like that. That one's gone. And then what about the c? What do we do? Leave it alone. Now, you could have this answer different combinations. All right, so look for it. Sometimes it might be.
Wait, can you still that? I got, like, my thing dropped, and I had to log out and log back in. What happened while I was gone?
Oh, you owe me $10. That's what happened. You didn't hear that?
I don't have money.
Okay, 10 cents. All right, just kidding. So nothing. So we did the answer, and then this can be in different combinations. All right. So remember, this could be c minus 1x squared plus y, or it could be y minus 1x.
Upload this?
What?
Are you gonna like upload this and you did to the other ones?
Yeah, I'm recording it. Yes. Yeah. But this is helping you for the quiz. All right. Yeah, I'm uploading. I'm recording it. I'm gonna start recording everything. All right. So that's your problem for this one. Okay. So far, so good. You guys get it? It's everything we've been doing since Monday and since a little bit of last week. Because on next week we're gonna do something else, which is gonna add to this. All right. So then the next one I have, and period 1 messed up a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one for you. It's like this, guys. How was it? It was something like this. Okay. So what you have to do is you got to look for your multiplication, guys. Hey. So look for your multiplication first, right there. All right, that's your multiplication. So what's negative times negative? Oh, that's a positive. And then 3 times 5, 15. What about here? Plus negative 2. Nope. Just drop it down. Okay. Now, oh, you know what? Let me change this because it might have, I think there's a negative negative. Let me change that to a negative negative. All right. I think it was like that. So I'm trying to help you out. Okay. Let's just change that to a negative right here. Negative. So what's negative times a negative? Right? That's a positive. Remember, this is plus. So I'm going to put plus 2. All right. And then here we have negative 3 times negative 5. That's another negative times a negative. That's a positive, right? And 3 times 5 is 15. So now I'm going to do the T chart and then just go ahead and plug them in. And my answer is what? Positive. Go ahead and add them because they're on the same side. So 15 plus 15 is 30. And 30 plus 2 is 32. All right. And that's it. That's it for, all right. That was it. Okay. So, and that's it for the quiz. There's only like 5 problems. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video and